Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss how to fix a rate limit exceeded in Twitter. There is an error occurring in Twitter from few hours as rate limit exceeded. This error has many reasons, and one of the reason is that the Twitter new policy. It may be not because Twitter new policy is that you can see only limited number of posts in one day. If you have crossed that limit, then this kind of error will be shown. But there is also another reason, which is as that uh, you have a weak internet connection, or it is due to some internal server error in the Twitter. Or now if you want to fix that error, you can also try some tricks, which are as you can also check your internet connection or Wi-Fi connection you are connected with. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply restart your internet connection or Wi-Fi connection, and you have to check your necessary settings. And after that, you have to wait for some time so that Twitter automatically solve that problem for you, as it may be due to server error in the Twitter. So you don't have to panic if it is showing that error. So you have to wait for some time. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.